Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this spectacular, restored Series 1 3.8 liter Roadster E-Type. Opalescent Blue, light tan. Hop on in, we'll do a cold start and warm her up for you. Okay, so here we are, 1962 E-Type Roadster Series 1 3.8. Do a cold start, turn the key on, choke lever up, give it a little push. Fires right up, great high idle, oil pressure coming up. As it warms up, you're going to lower that choke lever. We'll warm her up and we'll be back to you. Okay, so here we are, we got a little temperature in her. Again, 62 E-Type Roadster Series 1 3.8. Tremendous exhaust note, everything's working. Gauges, turn signal canceled. Nice English horn, drives really well, feels good, brakes, clutch, gearbox. Over the railroad tracks here, really no rattles. We'll take her up to the S's and we'll be back to you. All right, here we go, coming up through the S's a little bit. Again, steering wheel cancel works. Really responsive steering, great exhaust note. Really drives well, responds as it should. Great feel through this wooden steering wheel. We're going to come up here, we'll drop jack off and we'll do some flybys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed those. Really well driving car. Feels good. Clutch, gearbox. Great exhaust note from that 3.8 straight 6-cylinder. Triple SU carbs. We have a great period working Blaupunkt radio. Don't know if you could hear it or not, but really nice touch to the car. It was fully restored, probably mid 2000s, give or take. But we're gonna come up here. We'll open her up a little bit. We'll be. Oh, we're gonna go. Look at that. We got a green light. Here we go. Really pulls so well. Exhaust note. Great British exhaust note. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Again, 1962 3.8 liter E-Type Roadster Series 1. Like and comment below. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.